Anyone who's new to this, I just want you to know that this right here is Convocourses. What this is all about is I do cyber security compliance. When people have questions about risk management framework or any kind of security framework, security compliance framework, I might not know the exact answer, but I know where to point you in the right direction to get the right answer. I also do actual consulting for a large company where I'm doing assessments all the time. That's a whole nother branch of stuff that I do that I would love to teach about at some point in the future. If you're interested in this, go to Convocourses.com, and I promise you, if you're trying to learn security compliance and the NIST standard, you will not be disappointed. There's tons of downloadables. There's tons of free courses that kind of introduce you to this. And let's say you're not committed enough to pay any money, you can actually learn for free on the site, download stuff, learn stuff, and be gone. Or you can go to my actual TikTok where I answer questions live. This is all about a conversation.